A car stereo dashcam provides safer driving, navigation, entertainment, and evidence during unexpected incidents. Today's video is about top 5 best car stereo with dashcam that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Botslab Car Stereo Dashcam. The Botslab 4-channel dashcam is an impressive upgrade for anyone looking for complete driving protection. With 4 cameras providing 560 degrees coverage, it captures clear footage from the front, sides, and rear, leaving fewer blind spots and providing valuable evidence if an incident occurs. The 3K recording quality, f1.8 aperture, infrared LEDs, and WDR deliver sharp images even in low-light conditions. I especially like the built-in GPS, which records speed, location, and travel routes for added security. The 3.18-inch touchscreen and voice control make operation simple without distracting from driving. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers, and the included 128 GB SD card is a great bonus. Features like parking monitoring, collision detection, and pre-recording provide extra peace of mind. The super capacitor design also ensures reliable performance in different temperatures. Overall, this is a feature-packed dashcam that offers excellent coverage, convenience, and safety for daily driving. Now our second product is Iiwey Car Stereo Dashcam. The Iiwey 11 wireless CarPlay screen is an impressive upgrade for vehicles without a built-in smart infotainment system. The large 11-inch HD display looks modern and provides a clear view for navigation, music, and apps. Setup was straightforward, and the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connection makes daily driving much more convenient. I especially like the voice control support through Siri and Google Assistant, allowing hands-free operation for safer driving. The touchscreen is responsive, and features like Bluetooth, AirPlay, Miracast, and multiple audio options add great versatility. The included 4K front dashcam and 1080p rear camera are valuable additions, providing extra security and recording capability. The backup camera with adjustable parking guidelines also makes reversing easier and more confident. The slim design looks premium, though the large screen may require careful placement in smaller cars. Overall, the Iiwey 11 is a feature-rich solution that brings modern connectivity, entertainment, and safety features to almost any vehicle. Our third product is Vantrue Car Stereo Dashcam. The Vantrue Dual Dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable protection and clear recordings. It captures both the road and the vehicle interior with impressive 1944p front and 1080p cabin recording, making it especially useful for rideshare, taxi, delivery drivers, and family trips. The Starvis 2 technology, HDR, and infrared night vision provide sharp footage even in dark environments, while the adjustable interior camera offers flexible viewing angles. I appreciate the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, which make reviewing videos, downloading clips, and checking travel data simple. The voice control feature is also convenient, allowing hands-free operation while driving. With 24/7 parking mode, collision detection, loop recording, and a durable super capacitor, this camera provides dependable security in different conditions. Installation is easy, and support for large memory cards ensures plenty of storage. Overall, this is a feature-packed dashcam that delivers excellent video quality, safety, and convenience. Now number 4, Iiwey Car Stereo Dashcam. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto receiver is a great upgrade for modernizing your vehicle's entertainment system. The wireless connection makes accessing navigation, music, messages, and apps much more convenient without dealing with cables. The 7-inch QLED HD screen delivers clear visuals, and the physical buttons with a rotary volume knob make operation easier while driving. Audio performance is a major highlight, with 4-channel RCA output and dual subwoofer support for those who want a more powerful sound system. The upgraded Bluetooth provides stable connections and clearer hands-free calls. I also appreciate the included dash cam and backup camera, which add extra safety with wide viewing angles, loop recording, and night vision support. The mirror link feature is useful for displaying phone content on the screen. Installation requires checking dashboard size and may need extra adapters, but once fitted, this receiver offers excellent value with entertainment, connectivity, and safety features combined in one system. And our last choice is Iiwey Car Stereo Dashcam. This 4K dual dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who want reliable front and rear protection. The Ultra HD front camera and 1440p rear camera capture clear details, helping provide valuable evidence in case of accidents, disputes, or unexpected events. The 3.69-inch IPS display is bright and easy to view, while the 5G Wi-Fi connection makes downloading and reviewing footage through the app quick and convenient. I also appreciate the built-in GPS feature, which records route, speed, and time information for added security. The 24-hour parking mode is a great feature for monitoring the vehicle when parked and offers extra peace of mind against hit-and-run incidents or damage. Its compact design fits neatly on most windshields without creating distractions. Overall, this dash cam provides excellent video quality, useful safety features, and easy operation, making it a smart investment for commuters, families, and anyone who wants extra protection on the road. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.